Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adarsh, and it's been a while. This is my microphone because the lav mic was not any good, so you'll see the volume increasing and reducing every now and then. I apologize for that. Um, yeah, so a couple of weeks ago, I uploaded this video where this video called "Talking to the Camera." Don't watch that video. Please do yourself a favor and don't watch that video. I'm not telling this to make you watch the video. I'm genuinely saying don't watch the video. But yeah, so a friend of mine, I mean, he wasn't a friend then, but I can genuinely call him a friend now. He commented on the video saying he wanted to have a chat with me about magic and stuff, and I flipped out. I even texted my friend saying this guy wants to chat with me, and he's such a profound guy, and he knows so much about magic, and I don't know anything. I'm basically a noob as compared to him, and so yeah, that just goes to show how good this guy is, and he wanted to talk to me. So obviously I accepted, and we had a pretty good chat for, I think it was about 2 hours, 2 or more hours, I don't know. And we talked about a lot of stuff. Now this is a common intro for all those videos. So this has been an obsession of mine, going around and asking magicians for their worst performances, and I asked this guy also, and I even talk about my worst performance, which I've talked about in a previous video. So go watch that video too. It'll be somewhere. I'm not going to mess up like other YouTubers. It's going to be here, right? Yeah, it's going to be here, right? Or here. Damn, even I'm messing up. I can usually tell, okay? It's here, not here, it's here. Yeah, so we talk about our worst performances. He talks about his worst performance, and yeah, that's it.
These are
Okay,
the things.
tell me the worst performance you've ever had.
Worst performance in my life.
Yeah,
So many. How many do you want to hear?
like the
So
one
many,
you
man.
regret to this day. Like क्यों किया मैंने?
Yeah, there was a हाँ there हमारे स्कूल में ना फेट होता था फेट जहाँ पे मेला लगता था बेसिकली.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो देयर वाज अ टेंट. आई वाज इन व्हाट क्लास 10. जस्ट एक साल ही हुआ होगा मैजिक का पूरा जोश हो गया. एंड देन उसमें क्या था, देयर वाज दिस गाय कॉल्ड क्रिस एंजल. ही यूज्ड टू कम ऑन टीवी.
Hmm.
एंड देन उसका कुछ स्टाइल था, ऐसा लंबा लंबा बाल का ऐसा कुछ था. व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज लाइक आई टुक अ काजल नहीं होता आंख में लगाने के लिए. आई टुक दैट. आई मेड अ थंडरस्टॉर्म हियर गाल में.
Oh.
बिग थंडरस्टॉर्म. तो सोच रहा है कि व्हाट कॉमेडी आई
God.
डिड देयर. ठीक है. आई डिड मेक गॉड ऐसे थंडरस्टॉर्म यहाँ से और यहाँ से. आई वाज लुकिंग लाइक एसीडीसी. ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं. ऑसबर्न उसका नाम था. ऑसबर्न. देयर वाज दिस गाय रॉकस्टार मेटल गाय.
Yeah.
Anyways, so I was looking like a crap. I was looking like the audience was scared, looking like, "क्या रे भाई, क्या करेगा ये?" ठीक है, like they were literally scared out of me. And you know what I did? There was this. We used to get in the market. Oh, there used to be a magic shop. Patil's magic shop.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वहाँ से मैंने एक ऐसे pen through glass. There was a trick called pen through glass.
Yeah.
है ना? So I did that. उसमें क्या था? There used to be a frame. उसमें एक glass लगा रहता था. You cover the frame with a paper, and then you slide the glass frame. तो पीछे से ना the hole used to appear, and then you put the pencil through that hole, and it looked like it has gone on the
Yeah.
glass. So I wanted to do that, and I slid. Okay, and with that get up, just imagine holding with that get up. I'm holding a small frame. इतना छोटा सा frame और इतना get up. ठीक है. And then what I did is that I was in full adrenaline ना, तब तो पूरा जोश आ गया.
1 minute.
ऐसे
Let me
slid
interrupt
किया.
you. How big was the audience?
The audience was around
In
25 to 30
numbers.
people.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
25 ऐसा कैसा था कि I had a tent.
Okay.
ठीक है. So बाहर में वो coupons काटते थे. Just imagine, they used to cut coupon, used to come and see the shitty show. Oh my God. यार पूछ मत भाई, पूछ मत. And then what all nonsense I did, I'll tell you, okay? I still remember, I feel funny about it. तो मैंने ना उसको स्लाइड किया ऐसे जोर से.
Yeah.
Once I slid that, टूट गया, वहीं पे टूट गया.
Oh God.
On spot टूट गया. The pencil, like it looked as if like I पीछे से तो टूट गया. आगे से audience, from audience
Are waiting.
perception, it looked like I pushed the pencil and I broke the glass.
Okay.
समझ रहे? तब मैं क्या करूँ? The entire equipment got broken. Like, okay guys, we'll show you some new trick.
Yeah.
Then I took exit and then what I did instantly, कुछ तो बनाना है. There was this carton box,
Hmm.
बड़ा सा, ठीक है. तो एक चेयर लिया. That chair was a broken chair. Dude, it sounds so weird telling you all this story. ठीक है ना? I called my friend, यार भाई यार. There was this guy who was with me. And he's like, okay, fine. What I'll do is, I'll help you out. You tell me what to do. So I took this chair and I made a small hole नीचे से to the chair and to the cardboard box also.
Okay.
Okay. और cardboard के अंदर ना तो ऐसे flap रहते हैं ना, दोनों flap.
Yeah, yeah.
वो छेद, like वो that
That would
hole,
cover
I
the
covered
hole.
it.
Yeah.
So I showed the audience, देखो कुछ नहीं है. This is the damage control which I did after the breaking the glass thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I placed it on that broken chair. Then I उसको बोला कि भाई तू पीछे से आके उसमें से get to see that Barbie dolls, no?
Yeah.
Now I cannot bring a real life girl over there, right? तो मैंने उसको बोला तो एक काम कर, वो नीचे से ना वो बारबी डॉल को ऐसे डाल दे अंदर, फिर मैं ऊपर से खींच के निकाल लूंगा. ठीक है, and I will show that oh it has appeared. ठीक है, that guy वो ऐसे पीछे ना ऐसे just he withered in the ground and he came पीछे से आके डाला, मैं निकाला. और सब ऑडियंस ने सब कुछ देखा, ये पूरा देखा, वो ऐसे ऐसे आ रहा है पीछे से आके डाल रहा है, मैं पूरा निकाला. My teachers were also there in the audience, so they somehow said, "Okay, Mainak, you need to practice." Okay, but it was good attempt. ऐसे बोल के निकल गया. So that is the most embarrassing moment I had.
Okay.
अब मेरे को पता ही नहीं था ना what is angles, what is what. मुझे लगा कि कुछ को दिखता है नहीं.
Yeah, yeah.
I was so ignorant about it. So there are stories like this. So this is the bad one, and yeah, that's the worst one I had.
Okay. Even mine is somewhat similar. So this was way back. Okay, like I was 1 year into magic, and before my first stage performance, like where I used to go to my classes, the classes used to have an annual day. So I thought I'll go and perform there. I gave my audition and all. And audition, I just performed close-up stuff. So they were very impressed, and I was very what's the word?
Positive.
Yeah, I was used to performing close-up, so I was good at it. I mean, not good, but enough to impress. So they were like, "Yeah, you're very good. I'll give you a slot on stage and you perform." But I cannot. Like the audience was like maybe 300, 400, 500 people, and I cannot perform close-up there, right? So I thought I'll do something like this thing. You know this trick where light is okay. On yeah. So
you
I
perform
thought
on stage.
yeah I thought I'll perform card to pocket. So the first phase is where the card goes to your pocket, and then the second phase. I was very used to performing this close up. Okay. But I'd never performed it on stage, so I was like close up है तो stage में भी हो जाएगा. But and another trick I thought I'd perform was this thing where I don't know the name of the trick, but I saw Smudini perform this, where a card is selected and he says I'm going to say, let's say the 9 of spades is selected, and he says I'm going to hypnotize you and you're going to forget your card, and he makes him sign and all, and then he palms off the card. I was very good at palming and all even back then, and he used to stick it under his cap, like the face showing him, and he used to place himself in such a way where this is behind his or her, the spectator's eyesight.
Correct.
I did not know this. I thought the method is people just don't look at the face. So you can in plain sight you can place it here and people won't notice. That is what I thought. I just guessed that this is the method, and this is the best decision I made. I thought I'll practice it at least once before performing it on stage. So I went to this mall at Andheri, and I approached this group. It was maybe like 8 to 10 people, and I asked them, can I was like all in my I had purchased a blazer specially for this, so I could do card to pocket inside my blazer. And card to pocket and all was fine, but I thought I'll perform this because this is what I wanted to do on stage. Card to pocket was like secondary. So, and I don't usually wear hats. Karan Chauhan performs it and he places it under his spectacles. I don't wear spectacles, I don't wear cap. So I thought what I'll do, I thought I was so smart for coming up with this. I'll take some tape, I'll roll it and make it into a double-sided tape. I'll stick it on my forehead and I'll stick the card on my forehead. All of this when the spectator is like closing his eyes and is being hypnotized. Like, so I went there and this guy, so this group said yes. I took one volunteer and I said I'm going to hypnotize you. Card was selected. He signed it and I still have the card, that very card. His name is Chinmay, I remember. I said, now do you want to be hypnotized? So I just palmed off the card behind his back and I placed the deck on his forehead and asked him to close his eyes. And it was a good 1 or 2 minutes. I took out my tape. I had a tape dispenser, so I took out my tape. I made it in double sided, stick it on my forehead, and stick this on. And even back then I just used to steal presentations. I had no ring of my own, so I was very impressed when Smudini did it. The way he used to perform it was like he would just stare into the spectator's eyes and still the spectator would not notice. And he used to, is it this one, is it this one, and he used to just throw stuff around. And I'm not that guy, you know, like so expressive. And still I tried to be that guy and it came off as so bad, dude. Like even my throwing, like I was halfway, like not na idhar ka na udhar ka, aisa ho gaya tha. So I was just, is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. And halfway, I did not place myself in such a way where he would not see the card. Halfway into the trick, he's whispering to me. He played along, by the way. When the moment he opened his eyes, he saw the card there. But still he said, I forgot the card, what is the card? And his friends and all are reacting. And midway into the trick, he's whispering to me, Bhai, I can see the card on your forehead, what do you want me to do? And I was like, shit, what do I do now?
The nice guy.
He's such a nice dude, man. He was like, what? And I honestly was speechless. I could not get one word out of me. I just smiled, and it was a walk of shame, and I had to pick up all my cards. I did not reply to that guy only. No, that is the trick, and I did not even turn back to see what they were doing. Nothing. Like, I picked
It
up my
happens, bro.
cards.
It teaches you a lot of stuff.
So
It's funny now. When you think about it, it's very funny.
yeah, don't
It's
never
nice.
assume methods. Just know what the method is.
Know what the method, do it in your own way. That's
Yeah.
the best.
I
Do it
assume,
how you
"Ah,
want to
this
go."
is what the method is. I'm going to try it because oh my god, like that.
So once,
Yeah, go on.
what I'm trying to say is that see, these are the things which will be a memory eventually. Right now, I'm cherishing these moments here. Like, hua tha, hua tha. There's a story to share. I have a story to say you. So these are the moments you will cherish
I
later.
ended up performing lie detector on stage. So I just forced using the spread call force, and oh god, even that performance was so bad. But yeah, it was not as bad as
Everything
this
teaches
one.
you. Everything will teach you something or the other.